In this video, I will demonstrate how to download the Future Focus Plan assignment from Canvas, save it to your computer, complete Section 1, and upload it back to Canvas. Step 1 would be to locate the assignment in your course. Download it to your computer. Enable editing. And save it to your computer. Once you have the form saved to your computer, close out the one you opened in Canvas and open the one that you have saved. Once you've opened your saved form, click on the gray boxes and you can begin typing your name, your instructor, your section and semester that you are taking the course. You should also complete the career goals section. Once you have completed section 1, you will need to save it back to your computer, and close out the one you have on that you have saved. Then to upload it back to Canvas, find your place to submit in your course. It should say Future Focus Plan Submission 1. Start assignment. Upload your file and browse. Find where you have saved the document to your computer. It should show here in the Browse button. Hit Submit. And if you've submitted correctly, you should have the confetti with the information on the side that your assignment has been downloaded and submitted. This is section 1 of the assignment. There will be 2 more videos explaining how to complete this assignment.